Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome not loading pages. So if your Chrome are not loading pages, I hope these steps will do. So from your App Store or Play Store, make sure that Google Chrome has been updated. So if it's not yet updated, make sure that you will update it. So once it's updated, tap on open and let's try to do the second solution. Now from here, tap on the three dots that you can see on the bottom right or upper right corner of your phone. And then scroll down a bit and tap site settings. And then tap on JavaScript. You can toggle that off and block that one. So hope this will solve the problem. But if still not, go to your settings and then tap on your account. And this way you have to probably change an account because maybe the reason why is your account. So you can try to change it and see if this works. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe.